Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Capcut subscription on a PC or laptop with a step-by-step guide. So, let's start this video. Whether you're on a free trial or currently using a pro subscription, the first thing you need to do is open an internet browser. In the browser, type Capcut login into the search box and press enter. Click on the top result, which is the official Capcut sign-in page, and then sign in to your Capcut account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner and select your Pro plan. Next to the Auto Renewal option, choose Cancel and then click on Cancel Auto Renewal. Just like that, your Capcut subscription will be canceled and you will still have access to Pro features until the end of your current plan period. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.